Which day here did I leave Kenya? Which day did I leave Kenya and go back to Nigeria? That things are already happening. This girl here, she's a Kenyan lady. She's breaking the record for the longest hug given to a tree. The longest hug given to a tree. So there are no men to hug in Kenya again. You have decided to hug a tree. God, what kind of record is this? The longest hug given to a tree. Ha! This Kenya, where is Kenya even a country? Where is this people from? The longest hug given. So if you do not see person, if you do not see anybody to hug, am I not here? Can't you come and hug me? I'm lonely. I am so lonely. I have nobody to call me honey. On my own. Come and hug me. Ha! You go and hug tree. You go and hug tree. Ha! Wow. What Kenyans can. So you just go and hug tree. No human being again is tree. You are hugging a tree. You are hugging a tree. Longest hug given to a tree. What's up, baby? How are you, baby? I love you. This life no balance. Hi! What Kenyans cannot do, it no exist. 2 minutes, man.
Ever since you Kenyans discovered Guinness Book of Records, somebody will not rest again in this continent. Today you get up, Kenyans have break this record. Tomorrow you get up, is this record. Tomorrow you get up, is this record. I'm hearing about this 22-year-old girl who is currently trying to break the hawk a tree record. You know, to hawk a tree, stay there, stand in that one position for 72 hours. She's struggling to do it. I don't know if she has completed it, but this is my message to that girl. According to the pictures and the videos that I've seen online, I don't see anybody having a standby camera recording you while you are doing these things. You understand? No matter what you are trying to do, if you do not have evidence to provide to Guinness Book of Record, that your records will not count. So it will not count. You need to have like hard evidence. Somebody need to stand with a camera there, or they need to put a camera there. That camera will stay there for the number of period of hours that is needed for you to break that records. So if you do not have that, just know whatever you are doing now, you are doing it in vain. Because no matter how the pressure that Kenyans are going to put to Guinness Book of Record, they are never going to grant you that record. I'm not saying that you don't deserve the record, but you need to have evidence. We have seen it. Everybody is watching you seeing it, but that's not enough for Guinness Book of Record to give you that records. But if you do have a camera, I wish you good luck. And I just want to say this to Kenyans. After this girl is done hugging that tree, you people should make this girl to hug money. After this girl is done hugging that tree, you people, you better sense the life of this girl. You better sense it. Or I will take my pot stomach and my nipple and put in the mouth of each and every Kenyan. You people should not try me. By the way, I'm sorry for shouting. I'm sorry, I'm very, very sorry. You know, the fear of Kenyans is the beginning of wisdom. I apologize for shouting. Sorry. Danko. Kenyans! Ugali eaters! One love.
Anyway, first of all, congratulations to Truphena. Second of all, kuna humor fulani nimepasa cross. Mtu akisema ati ingekuwa ni mwanaume ndiye amefanya hivyo. Ya kwanza yenye linibamba ati the moment mwanaume amehug tree ingekuwa ni bangi. Ya pili ingekuwa ndiye anataka kukua gay. Ya tatu mashetani za kwao zimeamuka. Hey, we hey, wengine bado watakomentu. Anyway, congratulations to Truphena.
Machaji na manyonyo, sini kwanga nikiroot for Truphena Muthoni vibaya sana. Kwanza amebreak her previous record yenye ilikuwa ni 48-hour tree hugging marathon. So amepiga 72-hour tree hugging marathon. Kuna vitu zenye only a few people can do. Piga hesabu, hiyo resilience yote kwa hapo, hiyo determination, hiyo wewe unasema nini? Hiyo sleep deprivation yenye amechapa for 72 hours. Alafu unajua yeye ni environmentalist. Unajua environmentalist ni mtu wako dedicated ku preserve, conserve na ku improve natural environment, na she is a perfect example of an environmentalist. Juu nimekuwa nikifuata story yake manze. Alafu ashakuwa recognized hapa USA, ni mwana tabloids na mablogs chanza kuongea juu yake. Unaona? Wale watu nini presenter wengine wa radio mafala sana wenye walikuwa wanabashio dem. Ngoja tu muone, patia dem tu space uone. Dem atakuwa anatembea kwa hizi international sijui climate change sijui wewe utacheki. Paketa exam nzuri. Pale kwa TikTok amepiga lions karibu 600. Unajua ni pesa ngapi hiyo? Kabisa.
Kuna huyu dem mwenye anaag mti for 72 hours. Anaag mti for 72 hours. Sasa mimi swali moja najiuliza. Akitaka kwenda washroom, atakaa tu hapo hivyo bila kwenda washroom. Atakuwa ameag tu mti bila kwenda washroom. Alafu after kuaga akipewa hiyo nini ya Guinness World Record hata hapana. Anataka wag mti bila kwenda choo. Mimi nikaa hivi mpaka let me say 3 days bila kwenda ama najisusulia. Na nasusu aje? Ama naoshwa? Ama after that alipwa nini? Kwani haendi choo? Nauliza tu.
Truphena Muthoni was doing a personal challenge, not official Guinness attempt. For you to qualify to be featured in the Guinness World Record, 1, you must write to them before and they approve it before you start the challenge. And they will give proper guidelines on how Guinness World Record is achieved. The procedure, like standing position, and the people need to be there like maybe certified referees, not county government officials and the governors. So, for her to achieve, even if she stood there for 500 hours, as long as she didn't have any pre-approval from the Guinness world, from the Guinness people, she does not qualify for the Guinness World Record. That was personal achievement.
My people, breaking news, finally, Truphena Muthoni has done it. Hugging a tree for 72 hours, 3 consecutive days, no food, no water, no toilet, no anything, and she has literally made it. Personally, I'm very happy. I'm very happy for her. And kwa wenye hamtambui, she has literally raised the Kenyan flag higher than it was before. Imagine breaking the Guinness Books of Record of hugging a tree for 72 hours non-stop. Si mchezo. Hey. Lakini wacheni niwaambie, akili ni ya Kenya. Mwenye alisema hiyo hakubahatisha. Aluta